My name is Latoya Ebony. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have answered the call. I asked you guys a few weeks ago, what do you want to see? And a lot of you said natural hair wedding hairstyle. I've added elements of hold for this style so that you don't have to worry so much about the humidity. If you are going to try this hairstyle, just know that this is about a 2-day process from beginning, from when you wash your hair all the way to the end where you're taking it down and you're styling it. Most brides get their hair done the night before, I believe. So without further ado, I'm going to show you this wedding updo hairstyle. It's going to be perfect for elegant nights out, as well as your wedding day if you're willing to accessorize. Begin on freshly washed hair. Now, if you've seen my videos in the past, you know that I always begin with damp hair and layer on a leave-in conditioner and oil. If your hair dries out, mist it with water and repeat the layering of products. And make sure your hair isn't too white afterwards. This means you've probably applied too much product and it'll undoubtedly take a longer time to dry. This layering of products is going to be important for retaining moisture and softness throughout your wedding day and at least 2 days after. It's best to keep the twist a medium size or smaller. And when you're done, let them air dry. It's the next day and I'm going to add the magic. Prepare some perm rods of various sizes. The peach ones are the largest, the purple is the middle size, and the gray are the smallest ones I have. You'll also need water and gel. Now, since it's the next day, I'm going to mist my dry hair with water and layer the gel right on top of that twist. Taking the twist and the largest rod, roll the hair around it. I prefer to start in the back, but if you begin in the front, use the smallest rods. Now, I'm sure you have a few questions, so let me explain. Not only does this help with drying time, it keeps the hair from becoming too hard and stiff. As you work forward, the rod size should decrease, leaving you the smallest curls in the front. Feel free to use one size rod if you'd like. Just make sure that they're small enough to form a tight curl. You'll see I forgot a twist in the back. Oh Lord. Now don't worry, I'll find it later. Let your hair air dry as long as you can and then put your night scarf on and go to bed. It's the next day and my hair is dry and it's time to take down the rods. Try to take your time unraveling. One of the main concerns brides with natural hair have is frizz and humidity ruining their hairstyle on their wedding day. We all know that natural hair can have a mind of its own. The gel protects against excessive frizz and it isn't so much that the hair feels dry and brittle. Once the rods are out, you might notice some flaking of the gel. Grab some oil and smooth it over the twist. This will tone down the flakiness and give additional shine. Next, carefully unravel the twists. And once the twists are out, it's time to style. Now just look at those fabulous curls. Ooh, you are gonna look so gorgeous. Starting from the back, create a large flat twist or French roll that begins from the nape of the neck and leaves curls loose at the crown. If your edges are thick, you can part a little hair off in front of your ears and leave a curl loose for aesthetic. Now, I was not blessed in that category, so I'm going to smooth all of my edges up and pin them into a high, loose ponytail. While creating the illusion of a ponytail, notice that the tighter you make it, the more volume you'll have. If you want your faux ponytail to have height, follow my lead. If not, space the pins further apart at the crown. In the middle of this high ponytail, begin grabbing loose sections. Roll into a pinwheel and pin with straight pins. This part allows for creativity. Work with the hair you have in front of you. Some parts I rolled and tucked, other parts I kept loose. It's really up to you. So at this point, I've taken the opportunity to take some straight pins and pin these bangs down, these pieces down. And by straight pins, I mean this. This is a straight pin. And you put it in like that, and you flip it around, making sure to kind of hide the pin. And also, you know, use pins that are brand new. If you have blonde hair and you're trying a style like this, then, you know, make sure you get the light brown ones. Try to get pins that match the color of your skin. They have brown, they have black, they have a lighter kind of browny, dirty blondie kind of color. They have lots of different colors. They even have gold. I mean, you can really do what you like. One of the main concerns that I get with these kind of wedding styles is that, you know, the hair puffs up and the style is kind of ruined. I recommend that if you have any pieces that are kind of free and loose like this in the front, pin them down. And I say that because if you are the kind of person that's trying to avoid puffiness or hairs being out of place, it's better to be safe than sorry. Now, I do have some ideas in mind for those of us who want to wear like a total updo or who don't care about, you know, frizz and puffiness, but this is not that style. This is for the person who wants their hair laid very specifically and they want that definition. That's why I added gel. So this is the point in which the hairstyle changes from like an updo to a wedding hairstyle, and that is with accessories. I went on Amazon and I got a bunch of wedding hair accessories. One of them was like a 44 piece, so like there's stuff like this, stuff like this. I had a couple of ideas. So you can take a comb kind of like this that's kind of rounded, and you can put it in at the side. I'll link the wedding accessory set I got from Amazon. I chose to use these straight pins with the metal flowers on the ends. I wanted something simple that accentuates the hairstyle. So that's it, your beautiful wedding updo with bangs that can withstand a little humidity. If you're interested in more natural hairstyles, I've got a playlist right here. If you're interested in just regular hair care for natural hair, I've got a playlist right there. And I wish you the very, very best on your very, very special day. Bye.